This is an overview of one of the teaching learning technologies, DOPE, in competency-based undergraduate medical education for Indian medical graduate as per the Medical Council of India. This particular session is specific for the subject microbiology, a paraclinical subject which teaches mainly the basic medical sciences. DOPE is demonstrate, observe, assist and perform independently by a student. The clinical skill demonstrated in this session needs to be done independently by a student to be certified for independent performance. This particular teaching learning method could be integrated with multidisciplinary subject to have a better learning outcome. I am sharing a video on the combination of two competencies given in the form of vertical integration by the subjects microbiology and general medicine. The first competency is assisting and demonstrating the proper technique in collection of blood samples for blood culture. The second competency is demonstrate infection control practices and use of personal protective equipment, a vertical integration of the subjects microbiology, general surgery and community medicine. This teaching session for the competency is DOPE. This is also a skill assessment for both the competencies. Here, S means skill in the domain, SH means the level of competency required based on the Miller's pyramid is show how. Is the competency core or desirable? Yes, it is a desirable competency. This is a well-equipped clinical skill laboratory for students in the paraclinical phase of medical training. A well-trained educator in a human patient simulation environment demonstrating the blood collection technique for blood culture appropriately. This is a zero risk environment.
Cap
The competencies of blood collection technique and a good infection control practices using the combination of blood spill management and biomedical waste management and hand hygiene are demonstrated by a educator and assisting the student appropriately.
Hello, infection control team.
The learning material for this particular skill are arranged appropriately. The primary responsibility of the clinical educator is to ensure that the student receive effective preclinical skill training through the method DOE.
Area. This spill management contents of first personal protective equipment like shoe covers, plastic apron, a pair of gloves, goggles, and face mask. Along with this, it contains 1:10 dilution of 5.25% of sodium hypochlorite solution to disinfect the whatever the spillage is there. It contains the absorbent material to absorb the spillage. Have tongs to collect the whatever the absorbent material we have splashed on the spillage. We have to collect it and put it into the yellow thing. And it contains the Lysol solution. And whenever it is finished, then we have to mop the whole area with the Lysol solution. So let's start spill management. With the face mask. And put on the goggles. We cover the spillage with the absorbent material. Then pour the 1:10 dilution of 5.25% sodium hypochlorite over the absorbent material to disinfect the. After the 20 minutes, you can collect the absorbent material with the help of tongs. And put it into the yellow. And then we can ask the housekeeping people to mop the whole area with the Lysol solution. This can be replaced. Plastic apron will go into the red bin. Sugar will go into the yellow bin. Then glove for your work will go into the red bin. Disinfect your hand with the hand.
फाइनल कर दिया अभी दूर
For how long we have to keep this?
20 minutes.
Later on, we have to clean the area with Lysol.
Clarifications and discussions can happen between the student and the educator during the session. Multiple competencies can be taught in microbiology through the method DOP for the student to get the opportunity to learn from their mistakes. Finally, this type of teaching learning technology gives professional authenticity to an Indian medical graduate from novice to expert as per Miller's pyramid, one of the most broadly used framework for assessing the skills. Hence, the medical education is changing from see one, do one, teach one to see one, practice many, and do one model for greater success.